friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Elle. I do mostly bookish videos on a somewhat weekly basis. Today I am bringing you a not so bookish video. Today I am doing a skincare video rather than a book video, and it is an unboxing. I recently received my K-Beauty box for the month of November, I believe. I will never get tired of this box with the like periwinkle and white lines and this floral look. Stunning. This is one of my favorite boxes to look at. They're so pretty. But now to what we're really excited for. The contents on the inside of this box. Before we delve into the contents, I wanted to say a little bit about the K-Beauty box in case you are unfamiliar. The K-Beauty box is a skincare / beauty subscription box, but I do believe they do mostly skincare. They are based out of South Korea, so all of these products are South Korean beauty products and skincare products. If you didn't see a video that I did a couple months ago, I've been really into a skincare kick and specifically Korean products. The first thing you will find in your K-Beauty box is a little spoiler card from the K-Beauty box. Like I said, these products are Korean, so the instructions on these items are usually in Korean. Once in a while, they will come with like either French or English instructions as well. So for the most part, they are Korean instructions, and while I am learning Korean, I am still not fluent enough to read skincare instructions. So on the inside of this card, you will find an overview of all of the products that you will find in your box, as well as English instructions, which is very helpful. Do not lose your spoiler card. So the first item I am pulling out is this Aloe 99% Fresh Moisturizing Soothing Cell. Can I speak today? Soothing gel, and this packaging is just so cute. It is in the shape of an aloe plant. It is from the brand Holika Holika, and I've tried some of their lip tints or lip products and I really like them. Yeah, so this provides a cooling and soothing effect for dry, sensitive, or irritated skin on the face or body. So you use this at the moisturizer step in your daily routine or when needed throughout the day. This is really good for like winter time. I usually have really oily skin, but like my hands will get pretty, you know, dry and crusty, and I know my fiance will benefit from this because that man's be dusty and crusty. So if you don't hear from me after this video, I've been murdered. I'm always very sad. Let's be real for a second. I'm always really sad when they include really small products in their boxes because it's like, how many uses am I going to realistically get out of this? Like, how am I supposed to know if I like this if I only have like 2-time uses? I will say the K-Beauty box usually does a really good job at giving you either deluxe size or full size products, but of course once in a while you will get really small sizes, but it is not very common, which is why I really like this subscription box. First, we have a essential balancing water and an essential balancing emulsion. We are struggling in this video today. They're from the brand Sulwasu. I have no idea what either of these products do. So the balancing water, which is this lighter one, is basically a water type toner that soothes and hydrates the skin and prepares the pores for your skincare. The emulsion is an incredible moisturizer. These sound really incredible. Hopefully I will get more than like 1 or 2 uses out of these. And then we have these even smaller samples, which I'm pretty sure I received these two in my very first K-Beauty box, and I'm pretty sure that's one that I recorded, so I will link it up in the cards in case you wanted to see it, but I never used them. They're just so small, and I'm pretty sure they were meant for dry skin. Yeah, so it's just, again, an emulsion, cream, and also a moisturizing balancer. So it's basically essentially these two exact same products but from a different brand. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I'm gonna use these, but they're nice to have as like backups or when you're traveling, if we ever get to travel again. Then we got this big old boy. So see what I mean? I feel like they do a really good mixture of deluxe, full size, and sample sizes, so you're never really too disappointed. And this is a 3W Clinic Aloe Full Water Activating Skin Toner. Holy moly, that is a mouthful. This is meant for dry to normal skin types. I feel like my skin becomes a little more normal in the wintertime, so this is actually great. This actually is from the same line as a previous box. I'm not entirely sure if I filmed that one one, but I did bring them for you. In a previous box, I had been given an activating emulsion and an activating cream. So basically, I have no idea if this is like an essence or something, and then your moisturizer. These came together in one box, and then in this box, they sent me the toner. So I kind of love that they continue the brand line, you know, because at least that way you can have like these products that work together. Ooh, I love pretty colors. This is the Pig Clear Blackhead 3-step kit from Holika Holika. Nothing says skincare like a pig nose. This does come with English translations, so that will be fun. I tend to have a lot of blackheads on my nose, like my pores and just my nose area is not cute. Sadly, it's a one-time use, but I guess that'll tell you like how good this is with just one use. And finally, we have a Real Nature mask sheet, and this is the aloe one. As we know, aloe extract soothes irritated skin and makes your skin smooth. So I love this. It is from the brand Nature Republic, and I honestly love face masks. I think they are such an easy way to just like pamper yourself for a little bit for like 20 to 30 minutes. This is great. I always love a good skin mask. And those are all the items in the K-Beauty box for the month of November. This box retails for, I think, normally $38, but they have like coupon codes all the time that will discount you $2. So I think I only paid around $36, and shipping is free, which is a little wild to think about because you're shipping from South Korea, and I know international shipping is not cheap. I don't know if that was like a sale thing or if it's always free, but at least the last like 2 boxes that I've purchased, they've been free shipping. After looking at all of these products, I think I would give this box a B plus. I am thoroughly happy with the items that we received. I know I'm going to use this face mask. I know I'm going to use these pore strips. This my boyfriend will get lots of use out of. And then we have a toner that matches products that I've already received. The only thing I'm not too like excited about are the tiny sample sizes, and even then, like, this is decently good size. Like, I'm not mad at it. I feel like there's good stuff in this box and I'm happy with it, so I would give this box a B+. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Tell me, what item were you most excited for? What item do you like? Are you interested in this box? Do you want to see more of these box unboxings? I don't know. I'm still gonna do them because I like them and I have fun. My name is Elle. Check out the K-Beauty box, and I'll see you in next time's video.